So we are given with 8, 1, 2, 2, 3, and we have to get respective output as follows. Numbers less than 8 are 4 in count, number less than 1 are 0, number less than 2 are 1, that is only 1, that is only 1. For 3 we have 1 and 2, and 2 are 2 in quantity, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Now approach for this. Okay, what we can do is, first of all, we can track the frequency of occurrence of each number. So we have 8, 1, 2, 3. 8 occurs one time, 1 occurs one time, 2 occurs two times, 3 occurs one time. What we can now do is that we can iterate through this track array. So let us say we have like this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8 up to, let us say the limit is 101. We add it. Now for 0 we have 0 elements. We can just use a variable that is running sum to keep track of number of elements. We have running sum initially will be 0, so running sum is 0. So we replace this key value pair with the value with the running sum, so 0. 1 occur one time, but we have running sum 0, so we will change it to 0, but we have to increase the running sum by the number of occurrence of the element. So now that our running sum is 1, so for 2 we will replace the value of key 2 by 1, but number of occurrence of 2 was 2, so now new running sum is 3. For 3 it occurred one time, so we increase the running sum to 4, but before that the running sum value should be added in the key of 3. So it is 3, 4. 4 doesn't occur any more times. It is 0 in quantity, so for 4 we just put the value 4, and increasing 0 in running sum will give 4 only, so we won't update it. Similarly 4, 4, 4 till 8, and 8 occurred one time, so for 9, 10. For 9 we have running sum which was 5, 9 occurred 0 times, so running sum won't be updated, it will stay 5 till 101. Now to print the required array, what we can do is we can just print those numbers which are present in the array. So we will iterate through the nums, and we will get each element. We will try to get that element's value, and we will print it. So what we will get is 8, 4, 1, we will get 0. For 2 we will get 1. We have again 2, so for that we will get 1. 3 we will get 3. So that's the required answer. And for code we have this. So what we will initialize a new vector plus correctness. We will have a running sum. We will iterate through the nums array. We will just count the number of elements, each element's frequency. Then we will store the number of numbers before the current number, and we will, after doing that, we will just update the running sum with the frequency of the current element. We'll update it, and then we'll change the nums array itself to store the number of elements before the current number, and then we will return the num.